Eternal Father, help such man. Gentlemen, this will be our game strategy for today. Coach, how are that, coach? Oh, sorry, wrong diagram.
Coach, we lost the first match. What are your plans for the next 2 matches?
Well, unfortunately, we got chopped by a chapo. That was not our plan. But we plan to win the next 2 matches, you know. But this is the Reggae Boyz, you know. We will frustrate you. But allow us to play football and you cuss and ball. Repeat after me. Vibes.
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 That is our tactics for today. Hello, can I speak to you, Hussein? Hussein, how would you like to come and play some football for Jamaica?
Coach, your front line is not looking as cohesive as it could. Do you think you're missing your top player from Aston Villa?
Listen. This is the last question I'll be answering about such man, as I like to call him. We want to focus on the players who are here. We're at Copa right now. We're not at Disney. Some players want to party. Some want their own room. Some want a maid. Some even want a butler. However, we're at Copa. I'm barely focusing on them. I wonder what would Papa do? Miran, we need a sub. What's the worst substitution that we can make at this time?
Bring us this, Coach. What was your mindset behind the first 2 substitutions?
Well, as you can see, the game needed a goal, so I thought I would just shake things up a bit, you know? A goal was scored. It was just scored against us.
Coach, you're not giving me a running on the game, Coach.
Listen. I know you can hear fast, you can run fast, you can talk fast, you maybe can even see fast, but you will not enter this game fast.
Coach, there are many who are calling for your head after this loss. What do you have to say to them?
They can call for my head all they want, but
We not go nowhere.